How do you attach interior walls to the exterior SIP panel wall? That's a question we got on our YouTube channel here lately, and we want to address that. Hey, I'm Josh Beasley here at Eco Panels of Tennessee. So it's really very simple. We'll do a better demonstration of this in a later video, but all you really have to do is take your 2x on the interior. We're going to probably put some construction adhesive on this. This is just a quick 2x4 I grabbed off the shop floor, right? So we're going to attach this with some construction adhesive. We're going to nail this. We've got nail in detail, nail in pattern in our assembly manual. And really that's going to be it. There's not anything special that has to be done. If you want to tie this in a little bit stronger at the top plate, then they make some T-plates that you can put some fasteners in your exterior wall top plate, and that would lead over to your top plate in your interior wall. So there are some things you can do to even stiffen that up even further. Another thing you can do is come with fasteners from the outside, the exterior of the wall, and grab this 2x from the exterior. So all of that is detailed in our assembly manual. Chapter 6 talks about attaching interior walls to our SIP panels. So if you want details on that, if you'd like our assembly manual, just call us, shoot us an email. We'll get you a copy of that, and we hope that helps.